guys, today I thought I will share my experience about my trip to London, and the reason for the trip was NYX was launching a new product which are going to be out 29th of February, and they organized a huge party at the Gherkin in London. So when I received an email with saying that they're inviting us to Gherkin, that was just like, wow, I want to go there, because Gherkin is actually a place which I always wanted to visit, and in addition to that it's going to be a launch party, which means a great party, some products to try and some products to take home. The party itself started at 39th floor of Gherkin at 7 p.m. and NYX promised a surprise at 8 p.m. So nobody actually knew what was going on and what's going to happen. We were all excited. And NYX at 8 p.m. announced that the top floor, the 40th floor, is going to open and we are going to have a silent disco. Guests were served with alcohol drinks and some snacks, but I couldn't have any of these because long time ago I decided to eat only plants and no alcohol. I don't really eat meat, cheese or eggs, so I stayed out of that. So the only thing that I could have on this party was just water with mint. This is actually the only downside to this party. They didn't serve me a piece of apple. Just joking, I actually don't really mind. The only thing, I was really hungry after the party and I had quickly to find a grocery shop. I had really great time. I was looking out of the window. The view was just amazing. I met many interesting people. There was a photo booth for taking pictures. And my husband even managed to get me dance. And the silent disco is when you get in the headphones and you have the music going from the headphones. You can switch a few channels and each channel has its own music, so everybody is dancing actually to their own music. In the background there is a light music or there is no music, it depends on the DJ. At first music was very quiet, allowed people to speak to each other, and then to the end of the party it kind of became louder and we didn't have to use our headphones to actually be able to dance. And look at these beautiful things. No, I didn't eat these things, but that was just pleasant to look at it. So I received some goodies from this trip and have opened them and I've tried just a few, but actually it's going to be the first time actually looking at them because I've been really busy recently. So the first thing is mascara, which I actually wear today, and I wanted to try it before I actually do the video so I could say anything about this. I must say that I quite like it. I've applied it just once and that looks very nice and natural makeup because it makes lashes a bit longer. It doesn't clog the separate hair, so I quite like that it makes it a bit longer, darker, and it's just perfect for everyday makeup, I would say. From what I got, the most of the makeup is glowing makeup, which I love because it doesn't have glitter. So next is quite a few lipsticks, and one of these I'm wearing just now. I just picked the color and opened that and put it on, and I loved it because they're metallic, but in addition to that they change color into, it's something like glow, something like iridescent. You know, like you have iridescent paper that it glows with all colors of rainbow. Maybe it's not the all colors of rainbow, but it has an additional tint to that when it glows. So this is what I really love about the one that I've tried. I've actually tried only one for now, and I'm just trying to count them now. 13, I like the number. So 13 lipstick. No, actually it's 12 because one is a balm. This is everything's called. It's actually called a lip oil, and I've tried this one as well. I love it. It's just a balm, it's transparent, and it's really soft and it's shiny. It's lovely just to use on the top of the lipstick, but just on its own as well. There are a few very, very bright colors, which I think I would use mostly for some kind of transformations, but lots of them I'll just use in everyday life, which I love. Normally I'm using lip cream because I find it easier just apply lipstick and forget about this, so it doesn't smudge or anything. And I quite like shine as well, so when I tried this one I was like, oh yes. So as you see, it's a bit shiny now, which I love, and it's not smudging at all. And on the other side it looks very it is very soft on my lips. It's kind of, I don't know, it's quite, feels quite hydrated, so very pleasant feeling. And I'm going to go over the colors. So this is, it's called Cakes. Not sure how to pronounce it. Okay, next one is Budapest. So is it called like cities? Okay, Budapest. Sorry, I might not know how to pronounce this. Next one is Manila. It's Dubai. Oh, I love this glow. Rome. Milan. This pinky one. Oh, this is really pink. Paris. Okay, similar. Milan and Paris look similar. Madrid. Seoul, it's purpley, nice tint. And then even more tinted with blue. The name is Havana. Oh, my daughter loves this song, you know, Havana. I'm horrible at singing, but I like this song. And the last one is Monte Carlo. I like Monte Carlo. Let's put it at the top. Oh, nice color. And this is just the soft lip cream, which is transparent. What else I've got here? And in addition to that, we got a primer, Total Control. I must say, I'm from the previous, at the last launch party with NYX, we got the concealer Total Control, and that's very, very light, and I use it every day, so I think that will be a very good addition to the concealer. Okay, next thing is the Born to Glow. Born to Glow highlighters. There are 6 pencils. 2 of them are black. They're actually metallic pencils. You can actually see this metallic. It's like black, but it's with the shiny particles in there.
this is all for today. Let me know if you enjoyed this type of video. Would you like to see more swatches, more colors or face painter or makeup? And also if you like to see more of my vlog videos, give me a thumbs up, and if you're giving me a thumbs down, be brave and tell me why. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!